Hello guys, it's still your favorite graphic designer Victim Tech. You are welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how you can create a blur effect using your smartphone without your mobile data being on. And the very application that I'll be using to achieve this is called Snapseed. This is the application. All you need to do is to go to your Play Store and you will definitely find it there. Download it and install it into your smartphone. So guys, without further ado, let's get started. So this is my Snapseed. The moment you launch your Snapseed, this is the interface. I've already imported this background into my Snapseed, and I'm going to show you how you can import either an image or a background into your Snapseed. All you need to do is to click on open. Yes, as soon as you click on open, it grants you access to your gallery where you can now import an image or a background into your Snapseed. Now guys, for you to create the blur effect on Snapseed, click on tools. Yes, then click on lens blur. This is the effect, lens blur. Click on it. Now I'm going to explain the three effects that you are going to use for you to create a blur effect on Snapseed without your mobile data being on. So click on this icon. These are the three effects, and I'm going to explain the function of each effect one after the other. The first one is blur strength. Now the blur strength enables you to control the level or the amount of blurredness. This is what I mean by the amount and the level of blurredness. Now you've clicked on it, you can now increase it. Hope you can see the effect is becoming very obvious. Someone might be asking, how do I increase it? All you need to do is just to drag your screen forward for you to increase the level of blurredness. Now if you want to reduce the level of blurredness, drag it backward with your finger. Hope you can see. Drag it forward and drag it backward. Now the next one is transition. Just click on it. Yes, transition. Now with this effect, you can control the size of the shape. This is what I mean by controlling the size of the shape. If you drag it backward, hope you can see that the shape has reduced because I've reduced the level of the effect, which is the transition effect. If you drag it forward, hope you can see that yes, I've increased the size of the shape as well as the intensity of the transition effect. So guys, it is better you reduce the transition effect to 0. Reason being that if you take it downwards to the edge, you realize that it has completely blurred out the edge of the background. But if you increase it, you will discover that the edge of the background has not been blurred out completely. So it is better you leave it at what? You leave it at what? 0, because the smaller the size of the shape, the greater the effect. I come again. The smaller the shape, the greater the effect. So it is best you leave it at 0. Then the next one is what? Vignette strength. If you're a video editor or a photographer, I believe that you should be familiar with this effect called vignette strength. Now when you increase the vignette strength, you realize that the edges of the background is now very dark. Yes, this is the function of this particular effect. Probably you want the edge to be dark, you can increase the vignette strength, but if you don't want the edge to be dark, kindly leave it at 24. Just leave it at 24. 24 is the right number. Just leave it at 24. That's the standard. If you are done with these settings, the next thing you are supposed to do is to take it down. Yes, just take it down. Take that dot down. So guys, this is how to create a blur effect on Snapseed without using your mobile data. So this will save you your mobile data. Yes, most especially whenever I want to do a quick design and I need to blur the background, all I need to do is just to go to Snapseed and it will be done. So guys, after you are done with that, click on this good icon, go to export, then export JPEG. That is how we do it on Snapseed, and that is how you create a blur effect on Snapseed. So guys, hope you've learned something new today. Please, if you are new here, kindly do what? Smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and please don't forget to share this video so that others can learn as well. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate your presence. See you in my next video.